call him Lukas.
Hello everybody, how's it going? It's me, Lukas, right here, right? And welcome to my first cooking video. Magic cooking video. Today we will be making a magic avocado toast. All you need is bread, salt magic, pepper magic, avocado magic. Two egg magic, and also we need butter or whatever else you want to use. I use olive spread magic. First let's start with cutting avocado in half. Magic. We also need pan magic. Let's preheat the pan. Magic. 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 Now we take two toasts. Oh, magic. To a toaster. Magic. Now eggs. Magic. Magic. And now we wait. Let's put some pepper and salt. Magic. The toasts are ready. Magic. 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 Blood. Magic is dangerous. Salt. Blood. Ouch. Ow. Eggs are ready. Magic. So this is how our avocado egg toast look like. Now let's taste it just like they do on TV. The texture. It's so amazing. I can feel the avocado and eggs and everything. Delicious. Subscribe for more magic in the kitchen with Lukas. Bye.